This is why most people will fail with AI YouTube channel maker, and it has nothing to do with the tool itself. In fact, if you're thinking this is a set and forget system that makes money automatically, you're about to make the biggest mistake beginners make. In this video, I'm going to show you why most people don't get results with tools like this, what actually works, and whether AI YouTube channel maker is worth using the right way. No hype, just the truth. Problem 1: Wrong expectation. The biggest mistake? People think AI tools equals instant money. They believe, I'll click a button, videos will upload automatically, and money will come in daily. That's not how this works. And this is why most people fail. Problem 2: No strategy. Most beginners don't understand YouTube, don't understand niche selection, don't optimize titles or thumbnails, and don't think about audience. They rely only on the tool. And that's the problem. Problem 3: No consistently. People try for 2 to 3 days, maybe 1 week, then quit. But YouTube doesn't reward shortcuts. It rewards consistency plus smart execution. Here's the truth nobody tells you. AI tools don't make money. Systems plus execution make money. AI YouTube channel maker is just a tool, but in the right hands, it becomes powerful. Position the product correctly. When used properly, AI YouTube channel maker can help you create videos faster, save time on editing, generate ideas instantly, and build faceless channels efficiently. It removes the hard work but not the smart work. The people who get results with tools like this are not lucky. They follow a system, stay consistent, focus on improving content, and use the tool as support, not a shortcut. So if you understand this, and you're ready to use it the right way, then AI YouTube channel maker is definitely worth checking out. I've left the link in the description below. You'll also get my bonuses to help you get started faster. Don't chase shortcuts. Use tools smartly. That's how this works. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.